गुड आफ्टरनून डियर स्टूडेंट्स, सभी को नमस्कार। आई होप यू ऑल आर डूइंग गुड एंड सेफ एट होम। हम लोग शुरू करते हैं यूएसबी 3। एज वी हैव सीन इन द लास्ट फ्यू लेक्चर्स एंड वी हैव डिस्कस्ड अबाउट फुलफिलमेंट इन ह्यूमन रिलेशनशिप, वी सॉ दैट फीलिंग्स और वैल्यूज आर एट द कोर ऑफ अ रिलेशनशिप। As we have discussed 9 established values and 9 expressed values, while these 18 values are expected in mutual relationship, there are some values which are more prominent in certain relationships. For example, in this context we can see 3 different parts. Relationship with those who are elder to us, like father, mother, grandparents, maternal grandparents, uncle, aunt, teachers, guide, mentors, etc. Similarly, relationship with those who are around the same age as us, like siblings, friends, spouse, colleagues, etc. And similarly, relationship with those who are younger than us, like son, daughter, younger siblings, children, grandchildren, students, etc. Let's have this PPT in Hindi one time. Moving on further, we can say that parents, grandparents, uncle, aunt, teacher, guide, in relationship with older people, they have more understanding and are more responsible than us. We keep getting a lot of assistance from them. Therefore, in these relationships, the feeling of reverence and glory and gratitude are prominent. It also becomes clear that if we develop the right understanding and on that basis our conduct is right, then those who are younger than us can be seen to develop feeling of gratitude, glory and reverence for us. Siblings, friends, spouse, co-workers, colleagues, in these relationships, the prominent feelings are trust, respect and affection. माता पिता, भाई बहन, पति पत्नी, साथ में काम करने वाले लोग, मित्र, अपनी उम्र के लोगों के साथ हम जीने को देखते हैं तो पता चलता है कि इसमें विश्वास, सम्मान और स्नेह की प्रधानता है। आगे बढ़ते हुए, चिल्ड्रन, सिबलिंग चिल्ड्रन, ग्रैंड चिल्ड्रन, स्टूडेंट्स, here feeling of care and guidance are prominent. It is to be noted that the prerequisite for care and guidance is affection, and the feeling of trust and respect are at the base of affection, or we can say are at the base of every value. बेटा, बेटी, भतीजे, भतीजा, भांजा, पौत्र, विद्यार्थी, अपने छोटे लोगों के साथ हम जीने को देखते हैं तो उसमें ममता और वात्सल्य की प्रधानता दिखाई देती है। जब भी हम ममता और वात्सल्य की बातें करते हैं तो निश्चित रूप से स्नेह उसके आधार में है। साथ ही साथ विश्वास और सम्मान स्नेह के आधार मूल में होता ही है। मूविंग फर्दर, इन द 3 टाइप्स ऑफ रिलेशनशिप with those older than us, those of similar age and those who are younger than us, the feeling of trust, respect and affection remains in the base. In relationship with people who have more understanding than us, reverence, glory and gratitude are prominent. These 3 values are visible in relationship in which we are receiving any assistance. Similarly, relationship in which we are providing help, care and guidance are the core feelings. And in all relationships, the need for trust, respect and affection is always there. At a minimum, the need for the feeling of trust, the foundation value, is there in all relationships with acquaintance and strangers, that is, with every human being. 7 types of human relationships we can see around us: parent and child, teacher and people, husband wife, siblings, brother sister, brother sister sister, friend, guide, colleague, societal relationship in undivided society and universal human order.
हेलो, हाँ सर, वो ह्यूमन बॉडी क्लास